Today I'm going to read you the passage Face to Face. Our nation has had many great presidents. In South Dakota, you can come face to face with 4 of them. Their faces are carved in stone at Mount Rushmore. Carving Mount Rushmore. Gutzon Borglum was the artist who designed the Mount Rushmore carvings. He planned to cut the faces of 4 important presidents into the mountain. First, however, Borglum made a small model. In 1927, workers began carving the mountain following Borglum's plan. They used dynamite and tools to carve the faces. They blasted away stone with the dynamite. They continued forming the faces with tools. Faces on a mountain. By 1941, 4 huge faces were carved: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Each face is almost 6 stories tall. That is about 60 feet high. George Washington. Mount Rushmore reminds us of our country's first 150 years. Washington became our first president in 1789. He helped start our country. Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson became president in 1801. He bought more land for the United States. This land in the West made our country bigger. Jefferson sent people to explore the land. They made maps. They learned a lot about the land. They helped Americans learn about it too. Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln became president in 1861. He was president during the Civil War. That was a very hard time for the country, but Lincoln kept the country together. Theodore Roosevelt. Roosevelt became president in 1901. He set up many national parks. He wanted to conserve America's beautiful places. He wanted to keep them beautiful so Americans could always enjoy them. Visitors to Mount Rushmore see great stone carvings. They enjoy nature's beauty too. Mount Rushmore is a national treasure. The caption up here says, "Workers spent 14 years carving Mount Rushmore." That was Face to Face that told me all about Mount Rushmore and about the 4 presidents that are carved into it: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt. Now it's going to be your turn to go answer the prompt in the resource area.